What's up, YouTube? It's Cougarfanmess back here. Two boxes of '09 National Treasures football. Broke it today at the hobby shop. So I'm just going to do a recap here really quick for you. This is the first box. Vince Young base out of 99. Yep, Vince Young base. A nice Jerry Rice jersey card. That is numbered 7 of 25. Nice card. Definitely for the PC. Then I got a triple patch. Kurt Warner, Peyton Manning, Brett Favre. Right there. Not a lot of breaks, but definitely a nice card. That's numbered 6 of 25. These are the exact cards the way they came out in the box, just so you know, guys. Redemption here for rookie signature materials. Gold, number 117, which is Kenny Britt. It's already been redeemed, so go ahead and try if you want. I think those are numbered to 25. And I got a nice autograph jersey card of Michael Irvin. Right there. Let's see. There's the auto. Don't see many of his stuff. It's 3 of 50. Not too bad. Got a jumbo Colosso jersey, I guess, of Akeem Nicks, and that's numbered 11 of 50. So that's that one. I don't know who this guy is, but he's in the set. Brooks Foster for the Rams, rookie auto, number 2 of 99. And I got another one of these, and this another triple patch or triple jersey. Not sure, prime jersey. They say prime jersey, so of Dan Fouts, Earl Campbell, Steve Largent. Not bad. Numbered 1 of 25. So 2 of those in that box. And then Joe Namath base, number 42 of 99. So that was that box. What did I get? 1, 2, 3 autos in that one. Second box. These are the last 2 boxes in our store. Barry Sanders base card, number 99. And this was nice. Marcus Allen jersey autograph. Autograph's a little bit cut off there, but that's what happens when you have stickers. But that one is numbered 1 of 5, so that was nice. First autograph of him that I've gotten. Another one of these timeline jerseys, John Elway. Just all white there. That's 85 of 99. Nice patch here of Aaron Rodgers. 2 color, but some nice breaks. That's 13 of 50. Nice card though. Got a yeah, this is just a jersey auto of Chad Ochocinco. This is auto right there. Just the jersey. That one's numbered 7 of 10. So not bad there. Nice low number. Rookie auto of Johnny Knox, 6 of 99. Colossal jersey of Maurice Jones-Drew. Sorry, there you go. That's out of 32, 30 of 32. I got a patch auto rookie of Stephen McGee. Nice patch. Great patch, actually. Nice autograph. 38 of 99. So true rookie there. And then we finish it off with a base of Joe Flacco. Anyways, I thought that was definitely the better box. Definitely beautiful cards, beautiful stuff. Nothing huge, but hey, I like it. Thanks, guys. See ya.